Hi everybody, Natalia at outstandingcrochet.com. This is Corfu Bag Hands On video. I showed it in my videos and pictures filled up with polyester filler, but here the bag is without any filling. This is the bottom, right side, handles made out of spiral cord. Let's take a look on the inside. Here I have a single crochet upper edge backing, very wide one, and there's a very stiff interfacing inside it called backrun. Don't skip this step. That's how the wrong side looks like. Very neat, so you totally can go without a lining, but if you want one, I have instructions for it in the pattern, so you can make it. To make this bag stiffer, you can probably use a fabric stiffener. I'm gonna try it and let you know how it went, how it worked out. So this is Corfu bag. Thank you for watching.